Our cordless caulking gun is on the left. Comparing the weights, it is lighter than the others in the market. Our product weighs less than 1 kilogram, which is half the weight of the competitor.
We use a lithium-ion battery for our product.
The battery weighs only 121 grams. The competitor's 12-volt batteries weigh more than 500 grams. Compared to the competitor's nickel-cadmium battery, the lithium-ion battery not only weighs less, but due to its more compact size, it is more convenient to carry. Lithium-ion battery is also more environmentally friendly. The continuously variable trigger allows precise control of the caulk flow rate. It is very easy to use. Auxiliary LED light is another very useful feature of our design. It is very useful when working in poor light conditions, for example. Construction sites and corners. By pushing the return switch, the plunger rod will retract automatically. While the plunger is returning, the return can be stopped by depressing the trigger. Battery capacity is 2 ampere-hours. The caulking gun current draw is less than 1 amperes. Therefore, one fully charged battery will allow the gun to work for 2 hours. This is sufficient for 100 silicone tubes of 9-inch type. Example of building wall application. Small crack. Large crack. Silicone gel flow rate can be adjusted by the trigger. Example of factory application. Gap in the wall partitions. Example of interior decoration. Our product can be used even one-handed. Even less experienced users can easily master our product. Example of kitchen and bathroom. The kitchen sink. The bathroom vanity. Waterproofing. Filling cracks. Anti-dripping function is controlled by the trigger. When you need to stop applying the caulk, simply release the trigger and the gun will automatically stop the flow of caulk.